Selamat siang! Good afternoon guys, Kenneth here, and today I'm gonna do a little very quick unboxing. This is the Haylou GT1, as you might seen from the title. If the name Haylou might not be very familiar with you, this is actually a Xiaomi associated brand. I think they help with the funding or something. But yeah, it's a new name. It is priced in a really affordable range of true wireless earbuds, and yeah, I'm just really excited to test it out in a later review, but that will come later because actually right now I'm working on this review. This is the i10 TWS, and people say that these are good, and we'll see how I find it in my later review. So if you're interested in checking these reviews, please take a second and click the subscribe button down below so you'll know when those reviews will come out. So without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. Okay, so that is very interesting. We've got a pouch right here. It's pretty nice actually, kind of a waterproof material, and obviously the box of the earphones itself. So right off the bat we can see that design wise the case is very different from the QCY T1, and we'll find out how it works. It has Bluetooth 5.0 charging case, of course. It has a true wireless design, so no wireless charging. It's just true wireless earbuds, that's what they mean. And it has touch control, so this is what's different. This is priced kind of the same range in the QCY T1, but you get touch control instead of physical control. But as I said before, I like physical controls more than touch control, so we'll test it out whether it is really a good touch control or not. So at the back here we can see specifications and nothing else. So let's open the box. Okay, not the best unboxing experience ever. This cardboard is pretty thin. It's kind of dent here already. Oh, and the box is surprisingly very close to the QCY T1. It just reminds me of that. But this thing looks so good though. It's really shaped like a capsule with really seamless design. Oh, alright, so I think, oh yeah, there's magnets there. Of course, there's magnet, but still, they're not very satisfying. Even the earbuds themselves, it is shaped very seamlessly like a capsule from the future. I kind of like it, and yeah, it's very interesting. They even cover the metal plate. I guess I'll have to take it out later. Is it even charged though? Yeah, let's see what else is inside the box here. Again, it reminds me very well with the QCY T1. We've got an extra earbud tips with different sizes. I'm not gonna open that. We've got a micro USB charging cable. So yeah, that is so unfortunate that this is still micro USB. Yeah, I kind of wish it could be USB-C because this is a new product. And last but not least is the manual book, in which you can read on if you want. Okay, so that is the unboxing. Let's try this out real quick. Okay, so now that I've removed the protective sleeve from the earbuds, you can see that there are LEDs. Very small LEDs, very elegant. You know, just the design of this, I really like it. Red means charging, white means fully charged, I guess. I think they're fully charged now. Or no, they're both charging. Gonna try it out right now. Take both of them out, and oh, actually the sound when it's turning on, it's kind of the same with the QC one. It's ting 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 ting, but then the pairing sound is different. It's like tung tung tung, a slightly muted sound that tells you that this is in pairing mode. And I don't know why they are both in pairing mode, the R and the L, and I don't know which one is the master, which one is the slave. I'll try to connect to the right side. And now it's connected. It plays the sound ting ting, which means it's connected. Let's try and pair the left side. Okay, left side is paired now. Ting ting. I am connected to both. Yeah, you can see here that they're both in independent mode. We have a separate devices, the L and R. Let's try if I can fix this by resetting them and putting them into the box. Alright, so they're now off. Let's try. I'm gonna take the right out, take the left out. It's like ding 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 ding, which means that it is paired. It's paired very quickly though. Right now I'm paired to only one device, and I'm gonna play music. It only plays on the right side. Now I'm confused. Wait a minute. The left side is like ding ding, which means it is paired to my phone. And if I press on this one, it goes from the right side only to the left side only. Touch controls, first impression, are really good by the way. But for some reason, I cannot get them to pair as one device. What should I do? Probably I'll put it to charge and let it charge for a while and see if the problem is solved. And by the way, if you're charging, there's a small hole on the right side of the micro USB connector there, which glows red, and I suppose it will turn white when it's finished charging. So yeah, that's kind of the main theme color: red for charging, white for finished charging. Actually, I really like the design. It's really stealthy and seamless. It just looks so good, but right now I can't pair them together. So let's consult the manual book. Okay, so I didn't get anything useful from the manual book. I'm left figuring this out alone. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to forget both devices from my phone and pair it all over again. You can see here that they're both blinking white, but right now they're at the same speed. Before, one is faster than the other. They're both paired. So it's only one that showed up in my phone. It's the left side. So probably the left side is the main master earbud. No, the right side then appears now. I really don't know what to do actually. So it says in the manual here that the right side of the main earbud, within the first 2 to 3 seconds, they should pair up together. What happens right now is, oh, they finally connect together, I think. I think they finally connect. I am connected to the right side only. I'm gonna try to play a song right here. Finally. Oh. Finally. Oh man, that was quite the start of this. It took me a good few minutes for it to figure out itself. I don't even do anything. I just try to restart it over and over again. But what you should notice is that the quick flashing, the first time you took it out, it will quickly flash for 2 to 3 seconds. That means it is searching for the other pair. If it doesn't find the other pair, then it will blink slowly, which means it is ready to pair to your phone. And yeah, I think it is the same with the QCY T1, where you can use the left side only, but it will take like a good 20 seconds for it to change its mode and ready to pair with your phone. And now with all that finally figured out, I'm gonna take my time and listen to some music here. So I'm gonna try the single tap. Okay, it registered pretty well. It play and pauses the music. On the left. Yeah, I think it's the same. Okay, so you cannot double tap really quickly or else it will register as play or pause as a single tap. I'm gonna try it one more time. So that is double tap. That is going to the next song. And double tap on this one. No, it's registered as single tap now. It takes some getting used to. I cannot register the double tap again. Let's try it one more time. Now that registers as a double tap, it going back to the previous song. So double tap on the left side goes to the previous song, double tap on the right side goes to the next song. And triple tap now. No, it registered as a double tap. Okay, so triple tap triggers Siri, so it's not holding. Sounds actually decent, like really enjoyable. It's competing up there with the QCY T1 for the best spot, you know, because I just like this design so much. Okay, so that is pretty much it for this video. It's a really short one and I've had problems, but it resolved by itself, so that's pretty good. Now I can start using this for my daily use. I hope the mic is good because the design, yeah, I just like the design so much. It's really nice. It's just the touch controls that make me a little bit... I'm still kind of a skeptic with touch controls, but nevertheless I'm still hopeful, and I hope I can get used to the touch controls on these things. And yeah, please give it a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it. I'm still working on this i10s review, so you have to wait a little bit longer for this review. So if you're interested in both of these reviews, please do subscribe down below. That helps a lot. I'll put the links down below if you guys want to check it out. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.